Hi guys, our topic for today is adjusting entries. Adjusting entries are journal entries made at the end of accounting period to allocate income and expenditures to the period on which they actually occur. Ito ay journal entry din, pero this time around ginagawa siya sa end ng accounting period para malaman ng kumpanya kung ilan nga ba talaga yung kanilang expenses at saka income. Okay, ano ba yung sinasabi kong accounting period? So, there are three types of accounting period. The first one is the calendar year, wherein you will start your book at January 1 and will end it at December 31. Ito yung generally used by the businesses at saka mga kumpanya. Then, we also have fiscal year. Any 12-month period as long as it is not ending in December. So, 12 months din siya at as long as hindi lang siya mag-end ng December. Kasi kung nag-end siya ng December, that is already called calendar year. This is an example. Nag-start yung book ng kumpanya noong April 1 of 2010. Then, they will close their book at March 31 of the following year, which is 2011. Then we also have natural business year. Under natural business year, this is accounting period ending in lack season. Lack season means nag-e-end sila ng libro kung kailan mahina yung kanilang business. Okay. So we have 7 types of adjusting entries. The first one is the prepaid expense, the unearned revenue, the accrued revenue, the accrued expense, depreciation expense, and lastly, the doubtful accounts or the bad debts. But before I proceed dun sa mga situation, sa mga problems, I suggest na panoorin nyo po muna yung mga types of accounts and also the debits and the credits na videos ko which I will link down below kasi hindi nyo siya maiintindihan, hindi nyo maiintindihan tong adjusting entries kung yung basic na debits and credits and also the journal entries ay hindi nyo pa alam. Especially if you're not familiar with these account titles, mahihirapan kayo because nandun yun sa first video ko. Okay? Prepaid expenses, again, it is an asset. These are expenses paid for by the business in advance. Ito yung mga expenses na hindi pa nagagamit ng business pero binayaran na nila in advance. Kaya siya asset pa. Kaya siya sinabing prepaid. An example of this are the advance payment for your rent. Diba? Let's say, pag nagrenta ka, may 1 month advance, may 1 month deposits. Yung mga advance payment na yon, ang tawag doon, prepaid expenses. Okay, let's have a problem. Ang gagawin pala natin, ang susundin nating period is the calendar period. Ang calendar period, we will end at December 31. Okay, let's have a situation. On June 1, 2019, Josie Company purchased 1-year insurance for the warehouse amounting 36,000. Noong June 1 daw, 2019, si Josie Company, bumili sila ng insurance para dun sa warehouse nila, para sa bodega nila. This is worth 36,000. Itong 36,000 na to ay good for 1 year. Paano mo mako-compute yung lumipas na? Nag-a-adjusting entries tayo ha. Ilan na yung lumipas na insurance since June 1 to December 31. Yun yung kukomputin natin. So the computation will be 36,000 multiplied by 7 months. Saan ko nakuha si 7 months? From June 1 to December 31, may lumipas ng 7 months. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Sinama ko si June sa bilang kasi 1 yan nag-i-start. Okay, so 36,000 multiplied by 7. and then divide it to 12 months. Bakit 12 months? Kasi si 36,000 daw ay good for 1 year. There are 12 months in a year. Then your answer is 21,000. So alam na natin na may lumipas, may na-expire na 21,000 na amount doon sa insurance na binayaran ni Josie Company. Ang gagawin na lang natin is si adjusting entries. So this will be the adjusting entries. December 31, 2019 will be the date. Then your debit is insurance expense. Bakit insurance expense? Since nagamit na siya, that is already an expense. Ano ba yung pinag-uusapan natin? Si insurance. Kaya debit, insurance expense of 21,000. Para mabawasan naman yung prepaid insurance natin, dahil hindi naman natutuong 36,000 pa rin yung prepaid insurance natin, we credit prepaid insurance worth 21,000. Okay, let's have another example. On March 1, 2019, JJ Company signed 1-year lease on a warehouse for 300,000. So, nung March 1 daw, nagrenta sila ng warehouse worth 300,000. This is good for 1 year. Okay, let's compute kung ilan na yung nag-expire. Ilan na yung nagamit nila doon sa lease nila, sa nirentahan nilang warehouse. The computation will be 300,000 multiplied by 10 months. Again, bakit 10 months? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, hanggang December 31. That is 10 months. Ito yung lumipas na buwan na. Then divide it to 12 months. Again, kaya siya 12 months kasi si 300,000 is good for 1 year. 1 year is equal to 12 months. The answer is 250,000. Now, let's have an entry. Okay, the date again, since we're following the calendar period, December 31, 2019, expense na ngayon siya. Rent expense, 250,000. Uulitin ko lang, kaya siya naging rent expense na kasi nagamit na nung kumpanya. Then, babawasan natin si prepaid rent. Prepaid rent is an asset. Para mabawasan mo siya, i-credit mo siya. So, credit prepaid rent, which is 250,000. Okay. Now, let's proceed with the second type of adjusting entry, the unearned revenue. Unearned revenue is a liability. It is when a company receives payment before providing the goods or services to its customer. This time around, naka-receive na ng pera si kumpanya pero hindi niya pa naibibigay yung product or yung goods kay customer or hindi niya pa nare-render yung service kay customer. A good example of this one are yung mga airline companies, say Cebu Pacific. Tayong mga customers nila, nagbubook tayo ng maaga para mas makamura. So ngayon, since nagbook tayo para sa future flight natin, may magbabayad tayo sa Cebu Pacific. Once na-receive ni Cebu Pacific yung pera natin na pinayan, that is considered unearned revenue nila yon. Kasi nakatanggap na sila ng pera pero hindi ka pa nila nalilipad. So that is what you call unearned revenue. Okay, let's have an example. On October 1, 2019, Josie Company received advance payment from a client amounting 6,000 for 4 months consultancy services. Noong October 1 daw, si Josie Company naka-receive ng 6,000 pesos para saan? 4 months consultancy services. Advance payment na sa kanila. Lumipas na ang ilang buwan. October, November, December. May lumipas ng 3 months. So, how will you compute yung tatlong lumipas na 6,000 multiply by 3 months na lumipas divided to 4 months. Bakit 4 months? Kasi si 6,000 is only for 4 months. Then you'll have 4,500. Alam na natin kung ilan na ang lumipas ng unearned revenue. So, since naitrabaho na ni kumpanya ito, hindi na ito considered unearned revenue. This is considered a revenue na. So, paano natin i-record? Date, December 31, 2019. Babawasan natin si unearned consultancy revenue. Since si unearned consultancy revenue ay liability, para mabawasan siya, i-debit natin siya. Then, 4,500. And we already earned 4,500. So, that is consultancy revenue credit. Credit na siya kasi kapag nagkakaroon ka, nadadagdagan ng income mo, kinikredit naman siya. If you could still remember. Okay, let's have another one para mas maintindihan nyo. Noong December 1, 2019, LOL Company collected from a client 120,000 rental fee for 6 months. So, noong December 1 daw, si LOL Company naka-receive ng 120,000 na rental fee. This is good for 6 months. This time around, dapat magaling na kayo mag-calculate. So, ilang buwan pa lang ang lumilipas? Isang buwan pa lang kasi the whole month of December pa lang. So, 120,000 multiplied by 1 month divided to 6 months, that is 20,000. So, alam natin na ang lumipas na ay 20,000. Kumita na ng 20,000 si company. So, ang date is December 31, 2019. Para mabawasan si unearned rent revenue, i-debit natin siya, 20,000. At para ma-recognize natin si rent revenue, i-credit naman natin siya, which is 20,000. That would be the end of the first part of adjusting entries. There will be a second part ng adjusting entries. Thank you.